Now, marathons are always great fun, but over the last few years, obstacle races have given fun, adventurous people yet another way to get an endorphin high. Today, we take you to Alpha League, a race that happened in Gurgaon last weekend. And at the end of this story, we promise you, you'll want to be an obstacle warrior yourself.
The Alpha League obstacle race was Adventure Unlimited. It was a test of strength, endurance and determination. And age was no bar. From kids to their parents, they were all there.
This obstacle race which we see here is about 5 kilometers on track. We have about 20 obstacles. Obstacles are designed in such a way that every athlete will get to test different body muscle, body part, starting from lower, upper body. So it's a challenge in its own. A lot of water, a lot of dust, a lot of mud, crawling, climbing, anything you say, it's there inside.
I like obstacle races.
When you feel energetic after it, and it's good for your health and body, obviously. So it's like it has all positives. So there's nothing against it.
And I'm very excited for it.
I was very fascinated by this whole concept of obstacle race, so I thought I would just go for this one.
I'm only gonna win this.
Unlike other races, the athletes are not allowed to skip an obstacle. And those who skip have to do burpees, squats or push-ups as penalty to get back into the course. So how did the participants train themselves for this grueling race?
Did high interval training, Spartan, various things, outdoor training literally, and just waited for the excitement.
For such races, what we need is very, very basic fitness. We don't need extraordinary fitness. The idea for us over here is that we want people to come out on the circuit, challenge themselves, try something new.
Well, I do running, go to gym.
Do a lot of co-workout, something like yoga, something like TRX, a lot of Bosu and other stuff. That's how you're going to train for this one.
You should be working out at least thrice a week for at least 1 hour to 1 hour 15 minutes. And you need to eat right. That goes with all the physical activity. Plus you have to be motivated enough to run an obstacle run because it's very hard on your body.
Hydrate yourself well, train, have a good diet and enjoy. Fantastic.
It feels like I can conquer the world. You know, there's no limit. There's nothing that I can't do. Nothing is impossible. That's the feeling it gives me. It was exciting, it was thrilling, it kept us on our toes. Every obstacle that we were approaching was like, oh, now what's next? And it was fantastic. I loved every moment.
If this is something that you are interested in, then very soon Alpha League races are going to be held in Bangalore, Pune and Hyderabad. So gear up yourself as this obstacle race will throw you off guard and challenge you to reveal your real abilities and instincts.
That's a wrap to another episode. Enjoy your December. And remember, we won't be happy with what you call fit, not until you're at your fittest.